In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export website from Mobirise. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in, open the Publish panel, and either put your site on a free Mobirise subdomain or download a ready-to-host zip file to your computer. First, open your browser and head to the Mobirise online website. This is the cloud version of Mobirise, so you don't need the desktop app to follow along. Once the page loads, look for the Sign in with Google option. Click that to continue. If you're already signed into your browser, you'll see a list of accounts. Choose the Google account you want tied to your website. If you use multiple accounts, double check you're selecting the right one to avoid saving projects in the wrong place. After you're signed in, you'll land in the Mobirise interface. Open the project you want to export, then find and click the Publish button. This is where you decide how you want to get your site out of Mobirise. You'll see two paths. The first is to publish using a free Mobirise subdomain. This is great for quick sharing, client previews, or testing. Pick a clean subdomain name that reflects your project and keep it simple. Avoid spaces and special characters. When you use this option, Mobirise will host the site for you, and you'll get a link you can share immediately. The second option is to download your site as a zip file. Choose download in .zip if you plan to host the site on your own server, upload it to a hosting provider, or integrate it into a larger project. The zip contains everything your site needs, including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and your images. When prompted by your browser, select a familiar folder, like Downloads or a project folder, so you can find it easily later. With your publishing choice set, click the Publish button to confirm. If you selected the subdomain, give it a moment to deploy. You'll receive a URL when it finishes. If you chose zip, the download will start and you'll see the file appear in your chosen location. For peace of mind, you can open the zip and preview index.html locally to make sure everything looks right before uploading to a host. If publishing takes longer than expected, be patient and keep the tab open. Large projects or slow connections can delay completion. Should anything fail, recheck your internet connection and try again. That's it, you've successfully exported your website from Mobirise, either to a live subdomain or as a portable zip, ready for hosting wherever you like.